Amber Cove, and nothing else but relaxation.
A few days at sea sprinkled in there and enjoyments. We are back to cruising.
That's right. These are the new adventures coming.
Stay tuned, guys. Port Canaveral. That's Nassau. Not Nassau, Bahamas, but NASA. NASA.
With a space shuttle.
NASA. And we're going to be setting sail here about 4 o'clock. It started off as a chilly day, and now it's nice and warm and toasty. We are in dock with what looks like Royal.
That is the allure of the seas.
Okay. And we are in dock with the MSC. Davina?
Davina.
Davina. And that's back home. Look at that beautiful tail, Carnival. We are so ready to get out of here.
That's right.
We're in the front. Wow, look at that down there.
Yeah, we're in the front of it. By the way, you know our room is on the 11th deck.
Oh, so above us?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't
We're
know
on
that.
deck 11 in the front. We're right under the spa.
Oh, okay.
Actually, we're right above the spa. I'm sorry. The spa is 12. We're 11.
Well, I think 11 and 12 is a spa, but we'll take a look. I'm waiting to hear that horn, man.
Yep. You ain't gonna hear that horn for a while.
No, I know.
Hot tubs in here. Oh, this is the
Oh, this is the thermal suite.
thermal suite.
We're gonna be in there for a little bit too.
Yep.
That's the spa. That's what we're allowed with the spa. Inside spa, you're allowed access to the thermal suite.
When you buy a spa room.
When you buy a spa room, right? Oh, another hot tub, more clamshells. Okay. This sounds like a great place to be at. Probably the spot that we're going to be hanging out at for the next couple of days. Guests 21 and over. Serenity. Adult only retreat. Let's check it out. Oh, yep. I found my spot right there.
Mine's gonna be over there in the sun.
Look at these little clamshells, some wooden loungers. That's something different.
Yeah.
It's got a bar in here with some cushion loungers, hot tub. Oh, can you smell that? Oh, look, little bears. This is towards the front of the boat.
Yeah.
Okay. So we decided to get some lunch. And where do you go? Guy's Burger Joint. Really good burgers. I got me the, what did I get?
The plain Jane.
I didn't get the plain Jane. And you got the ringer? Okay. And we are really bad at YouTubers because we're not vlogging. We were so hungry we came in. But this is mine. And it's already half eaten. And
This is one thing that's God's gift, and that's Guy's Burger Joint. If you're on a Carnival cruise ship, this is your first stop. If you have one on here, go to it. The second one, you'll see tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
I won't tell you what it is, but it's good.
Yep.
So,
Take a bite of that. How good is it?
yep. Oh, it's real good. It's real good.
So here we are, room 11234, an inside spa interior, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna open it, and it was sealed. So we get our cards.
We are ready.
Red. All right. Which one's mine? That one's mine. Okay. Go ahead. Whoa.
Didn't we order?
Yep. What?
You ordered champagne and chocolate covered strawberries, didn't you?
Look at this room, how beautiful.
This is nice.
Well, looky, looky. A little thank you gift. So we have the case there. We put it all together. The mirror, that's a nice big mirror. Got our towels. There's our bed and our room steward, Margarita, with a little elephant. Our spa slippers. Very nice. This looks very, very nice. So then we have some closet space here with some extra pillows and blankets. And then, oh, fancy, fancy, some robes.
That's right. That's what you get with the spa interior.
Yeah. And then we get another closet. And we have our life jackets and more hanging space. Very nice. And then on this side, hold on, you gotta back up so I can see.
Hold and spin.
All right, so a shower with the one sink. All right. And the commode.
Bathing and shower gel and shampoo and conditioner.
Okay. The shower curtain. All right.
We are here on the Carnival Magic, ready to celebrate. Enjoy this margarita.
Cheers, baby. Cheers to the good life. Was that good?
We will now be providing you with a mandatory safety briefing. We kindly ask everyone to pay attention to this very important information.
Are we ready?